So this one says Paris Dyson. Can't even understand. Hi guys, so I am unboxing another purchase that I made recently. This is the DYSON Supersonic from Sephora, and I got this during their VIP sale, which is still ongoing. I got them for 20% off. So stay tuned, guys. It comes in a pretty red container. It is so beautiful. It says Dyson in there if you can see it. And I'm gonna open it. Here it is. It's so pretty. There's a certification right there. Date of manufacture was in 2018 by James Dyson. It smells awesome. I just want to smell it. Well, it is just super beautiful. It just has, oh wait, okay, it's covered in plastic. Good, because I was gonna say it has some kind of like scratches, but it's in a plastic, which is good. And it's like 24K gold. I love how unique it is, because I always see Dyson has like a red color or a pink one, and this one is like blue, but it is so beautiful. I just love the color. See what else is inside. Welcome to your new hair dryer. It's like a manual, and it has the, what are all these? Oh, this is like the mat that it comes with, like a styling mat. And then this one is like a connector. Oh shit. Okay, I'm just dropping. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay. I just don't know how to like remove it now. I guess I have to read the manual. But this is so beautiful. This is like, I believe, okay, this is a plug, and it comes with a connector. You know, for some reason I thought it comes with like a stand, but it doesn't. I'm not sure if that's separate, but these are like the connector.
Okay, so I opened the other box it comes with, and it comes with another connector, and then
also this one, if you can, and then it says Dyson right there too. So yeah, it just comes with this too, plus the hair dryer itself. Oops. And then this connector, and that's about it. Oh, also the styling mat, which I really thought that this thing would come with a stand. I think the videos that I've watched comes with the stand, but I guess not. I don't even know what this is, but it's like I don't know what it is. This is like the styling mat, comes with this. That's about it. I am really excited to use this, so I'll let you guys know if it works good or not. Thank you for watching. Bye.